honey never spoils. Archaeologists have found parts of honey in ancient Egyptian tomb that are over 3000 years old and still perfectly edible. The world's oldest known living tree is a Bristol called pine named Methuselah, located in the White Mountains of California, estimated to be over 4800 years old. The shortest war in history occurred between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. It lasted only 30 minutes. The national animal of Scotland is the unicorn. The driest place on earth is the Atacama Desert in Chile. Some areas of the desert have never recorded any rainfall. The blue whale is the largest animal ever known to have existed. It can reach lengths of over 90 feet and weight up to 200 tons. The Taj Mahal in Agra, India is considered one of the 7 wonders of the world and was built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife. It took over 20 years and 20,000 workers to complete. The world's largest flower, the Rafflesia arnoldii, can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and weight up to 24 pounds. It is known for its strong odor often resembling rotting flesh. The Great Barrier Reef of the coast of Australia is the largest living structure on Earth and is visible from space. It stretches over 1400 miles and is home to a wide variety of marine life. The world's deepest underwater post box is located off the coast of Susami Bay in Japan. At a depth of 10 meters, visitors can write postcards and mail them from the underwater post box using waterproof stationery. There is a village in Norway called Hell. It freezes over during winter, leading to signs that say Hell frozen over. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third circulates the blood to the rest of the body. The town of Churchill in Manitoba, Canada, is known as the polar bear capital of the world due to the large number of polar bears that migrate through the area each year. The world's largest sand island is Fraser Island, located off the coast of Queensland, Australia. It stretches over 75 miles and is home to diverse a range of flora and fauna, including wild dingoes.